Just heating into it.
Yeah. Wow.
I've got goosebumps now.
What you do? Has that made it to 40?
It's like 35. I think it's the light's still on, so I think it's still heating.
Yeah.
It's quite good.
That's quiet, isn't it?
Still quite a good tumble.
I love that echoey at the end.
Gorgeous washer.
Clean the front up and the door a little bit more.
Yeah. All in good time.
Perfect load for that one, Cat.
Yeah.
Oh, that Frigidaire spin dryer is gone.
Oh, is that?
Would you say it's I know what you mean that. Yeah. It's not too gentle a wash as well.
Yeah, it's perfect. It's so splashy.
It is different to the Polish ones, isn't it?
More water.
Definitely prefer this one.
Of course you do.
I prefer having the silver panel rather than the wood grain.
Silver panels fine. Wood panels common.
Very American.
Oh, there you go. Heater back on.
Oh, it's filling for wool. That's what it's doing. Filling to the wool level.
So is that basically the wash half over now?
Yeah.
Eurotech's the same. It does the synthetics heat and everything, and then if it flicks onto wool, it just fills back up to the wool level. So it's like cool down / wool wash.
Yeah.
Lucky you used cold power.
Yeah.
I mean, it's actually it's warm. It's actually reached 40.
And now it'll just keep heating up to 40 again.
Yeah.
I like the drum as well.
Very nice.
They're like hot punty shape.
I'll try and get a video of it empty. Love that unique dial.
A little bit like the Indusits and the Candies of the 80s.
Mm.
Yeah.
And to be fair, that sticker doesn't even get in the way of you seeing it.
Yeah, no. I actually prefer it with a sticker, which is unusual for me. It's a nice sticker.
Not gonna lie, I'd take this over like 800 UK version.
That's a great action. You'd be alright with your rolls in that, wouldn't you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. 14 wool, 15 rinsing, softening delicates, and then I'm assuming there is a.
There you go.
There you go. That's it. See, 16 is just softening, so I'm thinking it's just going to drain, and then you have to put it back
Oh,
into
do you reckon?
mine.
It might be.
Probably.
Someone's cleaning the house this morning.
A little bit
Tumbles
shorter
are
tumbles,
shorter,
yeah.
Mm.
But it's still enough.
yeah.
It's still enough to give it a real good wash.
Mm. I like that little silver bit.
It's great.
Oh yeah, she's awful.
Has you got a karaoke machine? Good job you don't have one of them.
She stands at the window sometimes and goes, "Come on over now, everybody." She's caused fights before. There was a young girl and a kid that lived downstairs next to us, and she drove her out.
Oh. That wasn't a long wash, but enough.
What I think I'm going to do is I'll take the English Electric set to mats,
Yeah.
so I can put the Lucy back in, and then my mate can only get the Frigidaire back in.
See, that's reach 40. If you put it on woolens and let it reach, go from cold to 40, it would have been a longer wool wash.
Yeah, well, I would have
Well,
put it there.
actually,
I would have just put it there and let it do the whole fucking thing.
I think we should bring it in. Actually, I'll stick it on that corner.
Light's gone off because it's heated and finished heated.
Yeah.
So we can do that.
I'll get the content sorted.
Not just yet, though. Sorry. It would have been amazing if it spawned rain.
Should we put it round to some cotton rooms? Should we get to see us?
No, let it finish this cycle and then you can do that. I want to see what it does with the rest of this cycle.
Oh, it's just going to fill in.
Yeah, that's alright.
I love how that's a heat line.
Yeah, no, it's not like an actual mains line.
Quiet.
I like when it reaches a certain level and it starts tumbling. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Sorry, I wasn't ignoring you.
It's ages to fill, isn't it?
It's because these are gone into it.
These are the kind of wheel washes I like, old school wheel washes. It actually moves them.
Yeah, because wool's not delicate, it just needs more cushioning.
Yeah. There you go. On the cotton side, it drains after it fills as well.
Is that Persil Finesse bottle full there? That's weird.
Do you have a sniff of this?
Yeah. Lush.
Where's that from? New Zealand?
No, UK. That's like 1991.
Got a scoop hole.
Yeah, that's real cool. I love that.
That's the same. This is the same box though that
New Zealand had that.
Yes.
Mm.
So it was all by lever. Look at that from.
That house. She had a LG from like 2014 and then a Suzuki like quick and clean vacuum dryer.
Yeah.
I love these.
I think they are
Easy
cute.
iron.
Yeah, man used to use them.
What's that aerial behind it? The big area?
Future colour.
Done.
Just drains, that's that.
If I don't mind just pouring it on spin if you wanted.
Did you get rinsed enough?
Oh, you went past that. That needs
It's
a
just a rag really, that is.
do a softener, rinse and spin then.
I just want to see a spin first. That's the liquid for you.
nice and clear. Almost.
Chuck some softener in there if you want.
Well, they do a little bit.
So number 8 is the actual softening cycle, but it includes 2 rinses.
So it won't take the softener until the...
Yeah.
Oh,
Just before the night.
I'll put it in the main one.
So
I know, but...
So it does a normal rinse, and then a spin, and then a softener rinse, and then 9 is a spin, isn't it?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. And the machine does 2 inter spins on cottons.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Four rinses. So it does 1 normal rinse, and then 1 bleach rinse, and then a normal rinse, and then a softener rinse. So you get 4 rinses, and it drains after the wash, I think. And the rest are spins.
See, we're in a row.
No, you're right.
Oh, these last 2 rinses are longer, aren't they? On the first couple of rinses, it drains as soon as it's filled, but on the last 2, it seems to go for a bit longer. Right, final spin. Oops.
Wow. Don't do that again.
Try again.
That's the first machine that's jumped in here as well.
Hey, do you reckon it's one of those machines that should be bolted to the floor?
No.
No?
20 years too new for that.
Yeah. The Bendixes were the only one that needed that.
Do you reckon the suspension is just a bit stiff?
Yeah. Probably needs spraying or something.
Yeah, put
as
some,
well.
yeah. Just be careful with devils.
Yeah.
There you go. A couple of little tweaks and the machine will be good as new.
I'm going upstairs to play with tags. So that's where the locals used to do pulsed it. So it would have stopped shortly after that and like let all the water out and then gone again. So it wouldn't have jumped as much.
The actual door glass is quite a decent size as well. Like you're not going to get anything trapped in the ceiling.
Basically need to wedge it in place.
If you look, the drum isn't moving at all.
Yeah. reckon the more you run it, the better it will be.
Yeah, it's probably like, you know, the door seal was stuck on the
Yeah.
thing. It's probably the same with the suspension.
Yeah. It's just been sat for a while, that's all. There you go. It's done well.